So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So me share with you now. Oh, not on this channel, for the next one. Our Vybz Kartel buy a brand new house for people in Florida, cause he have one and him buy a next one behind the one we buy. You see me I say? So people look like so the house of Vybz Kartel buy kinda stir up the Gaza first lady. She back on the internet, my people, and be a thing she attack us from out there. She has said she gonna go end people career and them bravery and thing that, you know what I mean. So it look like say eventually this woman here I go try off a cartel, you know my people. You see it, the closest people to you are them know your secret, you know. But if Vybz Kartel who are still, you know what I mean, him for PR on a level, you know what I mean, for that person work them deserve them pay. Anybody with a disgruntled if them not get them pay, but me no know how the thing set up between she, Vybz Kartel, and the payments for, you know what I mean, the songs them what she do or whatever. Because Vybz Kartel mostly write all of the song them for the females, you know what me hear him say, you know what I mean, the Gaza first lady kinda write her songs with them. So me don't know what go on this on my people. You see it? Me don't know what go on this so. But it look like so the house we get by kinda stir her up a way. Me have to share with Uno the things them what she have to say. And Dyema kick off with the girl when name Unstopable people. That are the girl where she say, you know what I mean, take away our man from her. You see it? So the two of them go clash pan live, so now go see that also. You know what I mean? BLAMDEM A W⁶, my people. BLAMDEM A W⁶ to Dyema. BLAMDEM this Rosealee because it's like Rosealee now add him again. You know what I mean? He must get steal out, you know, or he maybe do or something. Either way. You see me? Even the lion man, BLAMDEM rush wicked. You see me? I make him know say yo, I'm gonna take him down. You see me? But you don't know BLAMDEM stay already, my people. You see me? Also Britman Zozo. Me have sitting for share with Uno, him, Binds, Google. You see me? When him and Binds are done Google in the wickedest way. So we're gonna get in that also, my people. You see me? I don't know if I left out nothing. But if I left out nothing, I go see it still. So make we get in it, people.
Where you want name, but switch it. I want switch the blood clot cocky line in your mouth. Batty boy or suck pussy girl. Play about that. Tap what? Actually you don't know what I want. You know how much blood clot Tik Tok page them have on this? Me know my people them. A million Tik Tok page them have. Oh, a million Tik Tok page them sit down and make and come and make comments. So when you don't see me I diss them, allow me diss them. I want to you. Now my enemy I saw, I forgot pick a side. You hear me say? It's either me or the blue ear obia walking blood clot girl. Pick a side now. Pull up that.
Rough. A bad man them should have a Batman to come class over here. So that's our next thing too. Boy,
no tell me about Unstopable class, because Unstopable can't class me. No look creep up marble, no look ginger fly old girl, no me case and no fuck out all the sports can't class me. Cause that little girl don't know nothing about me. Cause all of me have 40 at here with my breast stick and my chest I'm look better than Shree. I pussy them still over here, so you know. Wait till then time ready for it.
Bro, Unstopable I want to take care of this girl, cause after me tell the girl say rescue, girl I want to eat that girl. Me not like him. Bro, I do one of them missing have him a skin out. Because I see this is my low life.
Unstopable is secret for me, Unstopable over here call me, but Unstopable know about me. Unstopable can turn me upside down and lava juice me. Like
Unstopable big auntie. Yeah, how you time done?
Unstopable is secret for me, girl can't class me. Unstopable don't have no secret for me. No girl over here no secret for me and no boy. Cause last time I checked, nobody never respect back on me is like a split tail. Unstopable no secret for me.
No call ivany.
No girl no portion that girl can't argue. Me no argue with pistol tail girl. Me no argue Unstopable no forward. Unstopable look up bust off and me, hey girl, go look at Chuck and go and gym, go dance a tough body. Me not get something no forward, because me not give a bus over here, so.
Not give no forward, you.
Me not give she no forward, me not listen to her. She could have cost like it now, come make she go, me not look for she.
Don't go tell Ivany say me a call her, because Ivany always for the left back when me can't say her. Sure. Call Ivany the people, don't call Ivany.
Yeah, man, not have cost people, you have cost now, are you hungry? Cost.
Me ease off. The thing I get too serious, so me ease off.
Yes, that's true, yeah, man, they might take it to heart. They might take it to heart.
Then me say, me carry on any drunk after they can't.
No, you different. Damn, man, that's what I mean, but some of them might take it to heart and I go on the most way.
Then but after most of the time me talk, I mean, analyze me, I tell me not tell life on him, them a low life boy. Then enough of them boy a low life. Look for thinking Rosealee then now, oink along. Rosealee if you go you, me no like a can of paint in a Rosealee. Rosealee if you don't name out him mama. Him big and thick no bumbuckler. Rosealee big and nasty and careless.
Give me that, what can be?
See the drunk for ya.
Oh, we come for hey girl, go suck your hey when we come add me that dirty. Blame them. I come off of my life, me not give them girl no forward, brother.
I'm a leader, sir.
This lady.
I want to run. All
I'm
about
the
chicken
best,
to
you know, you're my friend. I want Unstopable.
Wait, they know. This lady swears some flag on Miami go fuck Willie, bro. What, like, why the fuck me left from?
Then you fuck Willie and fuck me.
I say.
Then all you left from first of all to me.
No, Mood, are you? God know are you Moda Kongi? God know.
Yeah, man.
No, you're not a woman, bro.
I choke, I'm not a woman.
You're not a woman, me not take people, man.
Why not a woman?
Why me ever leave from where New York, where be a single man there? And go, where Florida, bro? Where Florida?
Yeah, man, come and fuck out your throat, come. Watch out now, yeah, let me show you, mama, watch out now. Don't make Dyema this, Dyema all foot. Don't make the whole foot there this, Dyema big all woman. You know why the all woman they can't talk to you. Look how you're young and look good. Yeah, man, come tell me, man.
Blame them, what you say?
You know, so me they are easy.
Blame them, me not give them a
fuck
fuck
up. Them a girl Unstopable.
Unstoppable. Me not give them a fuck up, girl, no forward.
Yeah, don't give no forward, Dyema. Don't give no fuck.
Give me, like, me no want to be
Dyema and nobody, man.
Who the fuck want be like Dyema was skin out in a party and roll in a dirt like tire? You roll down the hill like tire, girl. I be a dirty rolling a
Dyema crosses.
When did anybody ever see me do that?
Dyema crosses.
When anybody see me roll down the blood clot hill like old tire?
Then your sister that. Then for you look pan Dyema, you know see crosses. Then how big woman there?
When did anybody ever see me roll down the dirty road like cartwheel? Like there's a cartwheel, there's a dancehall cartwheel. Yeah, I always a skin out in the comfort of my home. Me no skin out in a dance and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Are you skin out in my bed to a lie?
And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 a man a dive in on me. No, me never yet do that. Me not do that.
Then Unstopable, you want nice girl.
So me like I'm blame them. Listen to me. I'm done after this. I'm done after that all cartwheel. Look like bad.
Let's see a Tik Tok go at you.
What?
Let's see a Tik Tok go at you.
Me not business. Me not roll up and down in a dirt though. And you can't even dance. You cannot dance.
Well on it. After big dirty thinking, Rosealee. After me take me hype game. He gonna take you and give batty man. Me say me done with the drunk.
I'm gone. Hear me on later. I'll blame them later. No, we're good.
We have a buckler go look low life, yeah. I like you, man. I say after me I tell about
bring back time, Rosealee.
Yeah, making galang boy buckler. Call Rosealee. Tell them I say we are calling. Rosealee big and think no buckler. Me done with Rosealee.
Tell Rosealee yard me. Tell Rosealee yard me.
Tell Rosealee yard me. I be a little low life there, boy, man. When go call go tell Ivany me a call her. You know if I know me a hypocrite, me a two-side cutlass. You just a buckler, no. Then I fucking know on you. No buckler. Then just know that. Then if you know that you not late, you just come on Tik Tok.
Listen, Chad, jump
then they know me a hypocrite. Then me
tell
everybody just say me a hypocrite.
Hey, blame them. You have to know, see, I know school days where you shame the girl them and diss them, and that's how you get to get them, you know. And that's how it going in adult world. So if you walk around and diss the girl them, but you want to deal with them, now go deal with your dog because you are diss them, you see me? And that's how it go, although some of the time, you have to make them know so them can't make, you know what I mean, party and them thing there. You see it, you have to carry them down off of the eye with them depend. Carry them down on the low and make them know, say, yo, what you think is, you're not that. You know what I mean? You have to have games still, you can't just get up on a this to get them and expect them to skin out them something, girl. You know what I mean? Too much man out there want them. That's it. So people watch some more.
Tell Rose Nicky you call him. Tell Rose Nicky you call him by BLAMDEM. In the game and thing and so come here.
You know, me diss him up a while ago, now come. And me bring him done. Them say, yeah, call him. When you go call Rosealee and Ivany, because I bat him and Rosealee want to hype, you know. Then when you just know me a hypocrite, then me not tell you no. Then I not on you. Every day Ivany a chat serious. Me not chat, call Ivany, man.
Chat, send call him. Send
call the drunk of them, because me want to say, you see me? Bumba clad, because you come like say, right. One bag of low life, they boy, you know.
So Jaden Tom Batman too?
Then I'll him a long time Batman, but he gone back. He kind of ease down when he start link with over here, so.
And he can
again. One Dyema. One Dyema.
Nowadays, BLAMDEM, that's why we can't get careless people. Me could have
take up. Man.
Me really can't take up myself.
Watch it now. Dyema, me not give no hype, but me want the views and the
Then me can't really take up myself. We go argue with Tik Tok, go.
That's true. You under him crying your blood clot, he full of pitney like a blood clot, dog.
One whole heap of baby shit,
alright, one heap of baby, one little low life girl. Dyema, you can't live with them John Cked. Dyema, no argue with that because you're top class people. You can't argue with them John Cked.
That's why when you add him, me run gun because me can't bust
nobody. Yeah, me love that. Them girl there know nobody.
The tired of bust them, me not give them no
bust.
There's
a batty boy I keep on and send me request. I look a batty boy, I tell you suck up. Send me a request again, I tell you suck out your mama. Send me a request again, Adian. Go send me a request, batty boy.
Come here to BLAMDEM, something argue with some people and take away your energy.
Like when me argue with Dyema. In chat, but in a work. He says in a work. He think me and him turn friend now, because he say he can't me done.
No, you're not a friend, you know. Me and you're not a friend. Remember, say me bring you down.
You can't, you have to bring me down and you fall off. And me I bring, I know, the player you played me right now, bring you back. You know, say I'm a response to Tik Tok. Then you feel like, alright, there man. Must say something to you right now, I'm going to listen carefully. Who you think call me president? Who give me that name? You think I'm making myself that name there?
Are the people them?
Alright. So, but you know, are you give yourself that name there? So
no. Who
are you call yourself that? You cannot give yourself no name. So when the people say they vote you out, you vote out. And the people say,
But Dyema no name president. Dyema name call him. Who say, who give
him? He call himself president.
No, me not call myself.
Bilal Fang say I'm a president. Me say this I hear that yeah.
I lie, me not against it so.
He Bilal, watch out. Tell Dyema, tell the boy if he suck out him. I can continue and send me request.
Who that?
One look at you that, see me. I want them to suck out him.
Hey, bring the money, man.
Bro, where they send me request so bad, man? You look a man, bro. You not even follow me and send me request. You're batty, man.
Drop and run.
Go on, no bad, man. Go back a batty, man.
Walk with Greece.
Bumba clad.
Come off, no, man. Go on, no, man. Where do you
go on, just suck out your mother and go on, batty, boy. I'm not telling you, but call your mother. Yeah, send, man. Your man can like a batty, man, bad, man. Bro, man, them love crowd your blood clad. I can't, yeah, I come off of this after, bad, man. I be a waste man on Tik Tok, bro. No matter me I come off of your dog. Because I say, all the people be as waste man, they see me on Tik Tok every day. People they see me on Tik Tok every day, have me as waste man, bro. That's why I say me no want dep on you, bro. And then said, see, I make people on me as waste man.
The same fucking shit, your man don't want me, girl. Your man don't want me. Him don't want me. It's just for entertainment purposes. We play together and we go on with ourselves. But nobody don't want him. I'm a friend. And she even block me off I'm live. Block me off I'm live.
I saw me sit up on your man body. I saw me sit down and stand to the.
You need to walk and block all of the girl them pussy so you can't fuck them because you block me off a life. Like if cocky forget fuck, cocky I go get fuck. Blocking people off a life now gonna stop people from fuck. You need to walk and stop up every girl hole so you can't that you for do. And not me I problem you know is you are the problem. And you are the insecure one.
Murder.
Mackerel, oh yes sir.
I don't know, put a padlock on him hood so him not fuck nobody. Because you act like say you're gonna be a fucking drone and follow him cocky go everywhere. Follow around him cocky go everywhere. Girl, if you forget fuck pan, you're gonna get fuck pan.
Unstoppable, 1 minute, and then continue. Mackerel. For you sell wig, you have a proper wig for your head.
You ever see a ear just a ear ever do yet?
You don't understand. Okay.
A ear just a ear never do yet. So listen to the story, now listen to me right now.
Oh,
but never do this place.
Sorry, continue Unstoppable.
Yeah.
Me not have nothing else to say, Dante. All I have to say is I never went to Florida to fuck her, man. Look how much other man there Florida we could have.
Do you fuck her, man?
I that me no know. I that them I say.
You should have fuck you. What wait?
No, I did not. I'm swear to God if me did do it, mother said. Oh no, I'm straight up already and honest.
Never fuck the man Unstoppable said. I need Dyema because this need to go is big. Thank you. Unstoppable, Mackerel, take out one I hear out of the shop. Do something. Unstoppable later.
Shop lock.
No, take out one.
Shop lock.
Alright, that Mackerel, me don't talk about this situation, okay? Me done.
Catch up.
What are you going?
Yeah man, you know, you're good. You know, I want general in a man. Bless up yourself. Everything good.
Yeah man, everything good.
Yeah man, you know, I yell up man, you know, I yell that big up man, one more beer.
Alright, boss, respect.
Bless up.
Alright, sir, respect.
People like big top commissioner Granville, that big top commission. When the Canadian people come on the live, when I somebody man, big top people on the live, like a big commissioner, a blood clad, Jamaica, a Mobile. The man they are council, when you know big top councilor. Run a match in your mama man. When me run a match for. Nobody had me, nobody man, me see them as support. All big crutches Rosealee. Me say Rosealee can't come back from my life. When you say go here boy man. Me add Dyema. Pussy Rosealee top add me. When you go call Ivany here man, cause right now want some top people to play with. Cause right now want.
But enough time, but if your life, I tell you if you don't know. If people don't fuck with you, they don't have the time for them for your life. I tell you if it done, them just lawyer make you do what you want to do. Them don't give a fuck or them would hype you up for do the wrong. But a lot of, and that's why I'm telling you, say two of them are genial. A God alone can come to genial, the two of them are genial. Blood clot, genial. Well set three of them in the house, they know what them are do. There. Check the mark. Oh shit, yeah. I didn't remember y'all. Fuck. The whole try them know what I'm doing. Guys, should it? Look at it. I don't even know if it's supposed to come up. Alright, me and come. Aye! Should I take it out or should I let it stay?
People, Ivany, I give somebody advice and hopefully carry themselves and act. Just know why. If you ask anybody, they would say Ivany is the same thing where he must say this youth here is because nobody can talk to Ivany. Nobody. Even our people them where gift are if they talk too hard, she deal with them and she deal with them nice still. Let me just say she deal with them nice overall. But if them slip, them a go slide, and none of them can tell her don't do this and don't do that if she make up her mind to do it. So this youth here are actually almost the same thing like she. And as me say, my people enough of my video them, enough time them people are cook up story and give it. So who to tell if this is not an ex cook up one? Let me know what I think. I watch some more.
Leave it a little longer. Let it stay a little longer. Brawl no. What name, sir? What name, sir? Brawl 2 minutes. Oh. Brawl. Alright guys, I'm gonna look for ice. I taste the chicken. Turn it out, you think a chicken? I'm making baba tea. I'm bakula. Guys, I'm a chef, bro. This tastes so good. Press start. It's a pan brown. Oh my god. Ice. Where you put your buckle? Welcome. Stay there, bro. Get too much of. Only 2 minutes. Alright, tell me when me for. For something for me. Oh. I'm eating baba tea. Guys, I'm gonna eat food now, you know. You fuck up your chicken today. Hungry now, you steam they are going in their bag. Boy, and you know why worst thing, guys? It's all of this we are going to Tik and Tra. Believe you me, I told them I'm going to move in our next new apartment, you know. Because them can't leave each other out. And them are going to always a fight. I can't tell us, say. Hold on, Papa, and them are going dead. Everywhere them left go, I told them I didn't. Now make it my place now sit back last night meet with my stuff. Boy, wait here, man, car. Alright, now come. Hold on, guys. No cap. Bum. Shit, man. Fucking hell. Bro. Blood clot.
Aggregators are dead. There's a company and me tell you who they are. Go, yo. Go. Yo, what's up? Go help your mother. With him pussy a blood clot. Go help your mother. Party boy go buy one stop lick for my pussy. Dirty low life. Can't give people them rental. Tik Tok blood clot mattress. Get up on Tik Tok all long. I have buy one right in bed. Dirty dog shit. Dirty dog bed. Your bed come like one amok. Dirty bumbo clot, Google that. Change the name from blood clot, Google. Go ahead. I blood clot girl, sorry for your wedding.
Google make me see a mattress color.
Him buy one brand new bed, dirty dog shit.
Google your mattress bad color like your place. Make we see mattress color. Your mattress have about 10 different colors.
Go ahead, dirty dog shit. Where does you wrong boy? You're more raw like down a blood clot seaside. You're more raw. You want to a blood clot dentist. Dirty dog bed. How are you, Baba? Look for you. Look for your room under the blood clot. Go ahead. Dog bed, go ahead. Go make one Baba see you. I think that the name from blood clot go down and put restroom over there. Go put blood restroom over there. Because when the whole like girl them want shit and piss, how you then gonna use dirty dog shit? Yeah, flush and go down that shit out. Dirty dog bed. Go ahead. You didn't even know yourself for your blood clot.
Hey, my people, you see that you the way him so. You wicked and blame them. When you come to the cousin, that you ain't a partial. He wicked. You see me I say? He wicked. He marry him spot still. Although from him good to everything, he earn his spot already still. You know what I mean? But him can go on with people. He can go on. And the youth when he cuss go see? Me want to know from him why him doing face like that. You see me? Because any man them face like that, you know, it's like him say F with society, you know. Him no business about society, him no business about no upliftment, no upgrade, nothing at all, him no business about. Because you see, once you do that, play with your face them type of way, that just block everything. Everything you have to also for that. You have to are you an artist. That's the only way society will accept you. If you are not, if you are an artist, but otherwise from that, remember me tell you, you can't do your face coverage and expect for you to go step up in the embassy and get nothing. You send your back a yard no matter how much assets and thing you have. Remember me tell you that. Is it? So me don't know why I'm doing film face so. But me don't want to think about some more.
Use a blood clot wet liner. I pick up the panty at 3, 4, 5 line. You can't talk to me. Dirty dog shit, you can't talk to me. Dirty low life. Dirty infidel. Boy, is a blood clot wet liner. Is a wet liner.
Google you drive your blood clot. And go and like say you're at puppy now. You can't buy 2 buckets of paint for your house. Oh, you have to tell me how you pick them sleep on the same bed at night time.
Go buy paint and paint house.
It's not in Rosie boy.
Go make a mason man them render your wall. Go make a mason man them bumbo clot deal with your place. Dark shit. Go ahead. You get the T40 bar, the bar NC. Go ahead. I'll be a thief in liquor you drink. Go ahead, dirty dog shit. You can live in a bar. You can play blood clot box in a bar. You can take care of your girl.
In bar tough.
Go ahead.
Where your girl? Where your girl? Your girl
in a bar every day.
Your girl there 10 for
blood clot girl and my girl each up in the bar every day. My girl can live in a bar every day. My girl can stress out himself over box. My girl can stress out over box. Dirty dog shit. Go take care of your blood clot girl where you claim to so you have with a top thief NSC. The police them soon hold him. Dog shit. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on, mongrel dog. Then we call pet control for you. Certainly can call pet control for you dirty dog shit. You all blood clot when him again there. You all dog bed, all things. A blood sucker. Go ahead. Go ahead. Dog bed, go ahead. Dirty dog bed, go ahead. Dirty dog shit, go ahead. Dirty shit in a bag, go ahead.
Pick up your bike.
Dirty invalid, go ahead. Go ahead. Now tell me about the man, go ahead. Me I take you down. Frank go call Britney. Me have to come down.
Member.
Dirty shit. Go ahead. You see I want shit house every day now. You see I want shit house every day now. Go ahead. Your face come like a tissue. When them girl want blood clot shit, I have face they use. And blood clot clean them body. Go ahead.
Where you have green sign?
Where you have green sign? Where you have green sign?
I want blood clot toilet up there now. Dog bed, boy. Shit house. Boy, since your face go. Boy, it tattoo in your fire that wall down. It tattoo in your fire that wall down. Go make them tattoo. Make them take a tattoo from out of your forehead.
Yeah, man, no boy can.
L-E-A-V-E. Make them take a tattoo out of your face. You curse. You can't go ever. You can't go ever. Dirty dog shit. Zozo. You know what I tattoo for? You have to show him and them where they come.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
The boys don't know in gender, you know. Boys don't know if my man or...
The reason why I don't know my gender chase me, I fuck your pa your ma one time.
Yo, boys don't know gender. You know if he's a boy or you're a girl. I she be the funny thing. Boys, we are moving on to what your gender.
What's
You
up
know
your
if he's
pass
a
up
boy or a girl.
Pretty bumbo crack. A while ago, I'm going to big bumbo crack. Right now,
minus 4. Maybe I smell like blood clot when cursing I'll bun. Smell like when cursing I'll bun and blood clot. Mugu ya smaddy pan it up. Mugu ya suck cock till a jaw tired. Mugu ya suck cock till a jaw bone must look. Mugu ya smaddy.
Me don't know if you
Mugu ya really smaddy pan it up. Mugu remember say I first man pan it up near my foreign girl for your barrel. First man me suck a pussy and get a barrel. And the barrel full of beer. People look at time. No look at sugar no. Beer rice or flour.
Nobody a movie in a night, boys.
No use.
Everybody a movie is a
Mugu when last time I box a pampas and a box a juice for you.
Think more.
Mugu when last time I box a talk to me, Gogo member say last girl, come and come talk, you know. The girl say when a pit in a wall, the whole I'm bumbo clock, all of infection in it. The whole I'm skin bump up, dirty dog shit. He come like a cocoa better come out of your mouth. Dirty low life boy. Dirty ram up boy. I be a fraud they come out of your mouth, Gogo. Dirty dog shit, go fry yourself. I don't know how I can come down. You know top sick out the little young girl them. With your bumbo clap, beach towel tongue. Your tongue, you come like out a bumbo clap, dump up beach. Your mouth raw, dirty mouth, Gogo, go ahead. Dirty dog shit, go ahead. Dirty insulate, go ahead. You come like a shark them. You come like a shark. Why make you go for one of them blood clot beach? Go look for one white girl, dirty dog bed.
Binds don't know in gender. Binds can't cost me, you know.
Chat to no shoot him down chat.
No know in gender.
Chat to no shoot him down chat. Why make you put one blood clot on your DP?
Binds
Fuck around me. One jump. Tell them because pussy and I'm Google that. Chat to no shoot him down.
And the boy
Aram up boy this year. This a boy that stick out the whole like blood clot girl them. This a boy after the little young girl them got
blood clot tampon tongue.
I be a tongue go boy. Go nobody by the
man come last, but man not chat short.
Google me then not chat with you. You're all like when one girl don't know if you like when you eat infection ton easy. Don't talk to me sour frowns in my boy. Don't talk to me sour frowns in my boy. You come like a tongue tap in a shit. You come like a graveyard under your tongue. Come in chat, push up the score. You come like a nasty boy when you must stand you can't give me no chat. Go to me and they get full of
bust up your face, Zozo. You know me think that already. Don't fuck up in a Zozo. I am his Zozo. All here, Google.
We not Anna so pussy boy, man. You're a dog shit, man. You're a dog, baby.
Dog.
You come like a dog. You come like a dog. Them live in a garbage bin. You're somebody does the dog shit. Yeah, somebody they walk and stress out the whole bumbo clot shop vendor. They bumbo clot community. Dirty low life boy. Dirty dark shit. Don't come go on like Anna your mama stink blood clot. Your mama wanna talk dirty Jamaica.
You know, say them on the wrong side. Cause Binds him up pick up fire.
Who's blood clot?
Binds on no wine.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Boy, bit man. Him or something else. The man them deal with Gogo or whoever people. Gogo want to lick back and turn pan Binds because Binds have the most things to chat about. You see me? I think binds buy one treadmill, you know, my people. So I'm gonna work off the ugly shape. You know what I mean? But for your band, so I say your band, yeah, me G. But maybe you can, you know what I mean, have a look at, what I say? BBL. No, BBL. Lipo. Cause them youth, they're supposed to have their money, you know. Maybe you can do a look at lipo. You see me? So, we watch someone, then we are going to edit with people.
Big pussy mama Bobo. Bobo, why you and I buy my big up fam. Bobo, why you right, me have a drill man. You have a problem with a man we have a proper complaint and one blood clot man we a drive. You still a walk a come drive and you no live nowhere. Why you have a problem with me? As a big bumbo clot man, you flag down taxi and a boom drive. You can't give me chat, Bobo. You have money on the app. Big bumbo clock man like a driver! Big man like a have driver. You have to pick up one girl and say, "Babes, hold on, me call me driver." And I call driver, yo, dog. Big bumbo clock man like a you can't give me time. I still have driver. Like you have them the girl who work a car center. A car center, girl. Move the bumbo clock and call the driver. I'm going from the street. You have money on the app. It's more than a man buy. Buy zero, nobody on the app buy. Yeah, me have somebody for the app. Yo, Bobo, let me tell you what you're the only man who finish your house. Don't the dark chick finish your house and top of talking. You have a pretty bill up your house and done your house. Go fix up your house. You don't know your gender, go finish your place. So he shit higher than when he sleep. So he shit upstairs and go downstairs go sleep. I first sign a work list that you know if you look up on your shit up. Yes, it's true. Remember so big. That's done what I room up. I'll put you back. The whole about him and everyone buy. If the man want to get upstairs and the girl want to play ball, make you come run up. By the time you can reach upstairs, everything jump. Everything come down to bumbo class. Poor girl can't fucking things. So no engine and none card. I'm around me down from the boy. If I come down, so no engine. Bumbo class. Or female. Lion. On the borderline like a shibby. Me not tell no lie. You see how binds are female. I be a man a transmission and why like a girl. If you have a man who has a work up on the screen, that means you're the police people watching man like Shalom. Come now. You can't suck me cock. You have broke blocks man. You can't suck me cock. Because you have first man to sell so can't get no opinion. Look for Michael Jackson. Can't get no opinion. Back door you have one. Be the kids. Someone that sells one and table don't need house. Broke like that. Broke like a back. Yo, he man a drive in brother carry. It's in real life. I don't want to drive with 4 different dreams. One match.
Well up, you think I cement like a fine set. I go last try the batty boy. There's a waste man and seal upon her big batty boy gun. God kill me. Gun you can't talk to me. From blood clot, dirt mag and they care go buy underpants and care go buy t-shirt. You can't talk to me, batty boy. You can't talk to me, dirty batty boy. You have some dark shit. Batty boy, go put one stop leak on your mouth, dirty dark shit. Your mouth does a leak, so. Go borrow your sister pad and put it on your mouth. Dirty dark bed. Dirty batty man. Come down and 5 people them up. Go ahead, look how far your mouth there. Look how far I'm out there. I'll batty all lick out. I'll batty wash you the galang with. You was a damn blood clot alkaline. Dirty dark shit. Me here boy yo. You all like white girl have a secret. I pay a batty all lick out. You come like toilet paper. Go frying for dirty dark shit. Go look at work. You have to go down in a toilet. Dirty batty man. All scarecrow. Or make you not go in a one farm. And go brown buckler, protect the people them can and the people them goods what they have in them blood clad farm. Dirty dark shit. Go from here so. A white man anything you drink. You can't talk to me, batty boy.
And last night, just like people in party. And white man pit up in our NSC. White man pit up in our NSC and give. You can't talk to me, batty boy. You're sweet, man. Yo, lo. A transmission do your ear, batty boy. I want a man with 6-pack do your ear. You can't talk to me, batty boy. A man squeeze up pump in your face. Dirty Ramos boy. Dirty shit in your place. Dirty invalid.
You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. Remember, you want to post that a little youth, man. Then fuck come up here. And that's why you're timing. You want to post that a little youth, man. Then start stuff. Food in your body. And that's why you're timing, pussy. And you're one piece of fuck body mentality.
Big dog shit, chat him have to come down. This I want to put dog mode. I want to put dog mode. This want to put waste man. Push up his score, chat. Push up his score, chat. Push up his score. Push up his score. Google. You know about talking up. You're lion mouth. As if you're lion mouth, Google. We ain't not with no lion mouth boy, you know. You understand? Google your mouth come like a local taxi, you know. Yeah, man. All the high school girl them have your secret. Dirty bag shit. Dirty renter mouth boy. Dirty renter mouth boy. Ram mouth boy. Dark shit. Dirty waste man. Bumper clot, chantal, stay free. Why me cannot come down and fight people in blood clot platform now? And go look one security though. Dirty dark shit. Go sit down and one location. And go bumper clot what? Where I say? Where I say? Ram out, where I say? Blood clot, ram out boy, where I say? Where you talk say? You piss all in the same cup and you drink out the same cup. You can't talk to me. Dirty dog shit. You can't talk to me. Kabaki people in belly here, man.
Why they must say about the big man, sir?
Kabaki people, go man. I and this a boy there same place last night. Go, you can't talk to me. And him there in the same place. White boy by heap a little. On the belly full now. On the belly full now. White boy buy Axio and you tell her when to drive it. White boy tell her when to drive the Axio. Yeah man, look on this and next Ramo one over here so. Dirty dog shit. Dirty dog shit.
Some money.
Go
show
set
you
one data doctor.
Batty boy, bro, on a Tik Tok. Batty
Go
boy,
suck out your mama. Go lick out the sour mama.
You nigga, batty boy. Stop lick out. Batty boy for your living. You say now get your now. Batty boy, there's no one good suit clothes. Batty boy, have one good slippers. Big suck pussies also. Big fuck batties also. You fuck batty like bird. You fuck batty like bird.
Show people in Western Union paper. Show people in Western Union paper. Show the people. Show the people in the receipt. Dirty dog shit. White boy buy your own. White boy buy your own. White boy buy your own. White boy buy your own.
Ram them out.
Yeah, dog bed. Yeah, dog bed. Boy, yeah, shit in
no man,
the
batty boy.
White boy buy your own. White boy the tip and night time batty boy. White boy the put money in your bumper and that.
Yeah, my pussy me want. Me want suck your my pussy. Big fry you so got blood clot on. Me no know you ma fuck so you ma breed from my blood clot 12 go.
Like you want my man pussy. Why you want?
Two you ma pussy big me want me. Cause me more big and you ma pussy big. So big and big come a good combo.